What's your name? Whose girl is that? Yeah, I wonder. Stop playing, mama. You need to go ahead and go. This love is crazy. I wanna work somehow, real quick. The time is right now. You ain't gotta look at me with a frown. Talking your lips, all you gotta do is say so, and we can go all the way to the top. Can't never hold me down. Can't let you get away from my step. Hello, girl, what's your name?
And what's all this, eh? Is this what I'm paying you? Get back to work. You must be the stray my daughter's picked up off the street, eh?
Yes, sir.
Well, who the heck are you? Why are you looking for me? You a couple?
No, not at all. My name is Junior. I'm from Auckland, New Zealand. You ask if my mother, Catherine. Sorry.
Catherine?
Yes, she sent me here. She said that you would help me, that you owed her that much. I'm real sorry if I intruded, sir. Just get over here.